Purvi Karthik Raval, and you have joined with me daily session tarot card with Rashi Bhavishya. So today it's Asadi Beach, and you everyone know that Lord Jagannath Bhagwan's Rath is going in the temple, and it's a so pavitra and pavan day. So lots of fortune, lots of good energy, lots of good vibes are coming today from everywhere. Everyone is so much excited. Everyone is so much happy. So I am also excited to see that what 12 Rashis is going to say in this Pavan and Pavitra day, and what blessings all Rashis will given by Lord Jagannath. Okay, so I'll start with first Rashi. It's Aries. So let's see what Aries Mesh Rashi say today. Slowing down. You can see it's a Vishnu Vahan. You can see when Vishnu comes, Toto ties is always there, and Toto ties you have seen in the many shops or house. You can see the Toto ties have kept in his house like a Lakshmi Vahan. So this is a Lakshmi Vahan. Slowly you will get money earning. Slowly we'll get some good opportunities, and these cards belong to the Vishnu Vahan. So it brings you a good opportunity of money also. So today for Aries Mesh Rashi, there is many good opportunities to getting money and good advices, and slowly you are getting what new are coming around you. Okay. So it's a good day, and it's a good card also. Okay. Taurus Vrishak Rashi. Let's see what Vrishak Rashi says. Vrishak Rashi. It's a silence. Silence. It's been you can see this lady is closing his eyes, but the Chandra, he keep his mind so calm, and silently she's doing his all work, and so calmly she's getting all the things to done. In this card I can say it's really nice. It brings you good things or whatever around going you, because I already said it's a very good day today. It's a very pavitra day, and it's full of blessings. So these cards also bring you very blessings. This is a positive card, positive vibes and energies going around you, and even on your body is also, your soul is also today's very cleanliness. Cleaning your bad vibes and giving you a good source of energy. So Taurus Vrishak Rashi, good source of energy is coming through you, and it will get you new things to do, and good opportunities also coming to you also today. So this card is really good. Okay. Germany. Let's see what Mithun Rashi says. Mithun Rashi. It's like a burden. You can see for Mithun Rashi, this card means some work burden is coming on you today. Maybe you are getting some frustrated by work, or someone is getting burden in the work also. So maybe you will get tired of working little bit, or maybe some work burden can come upon you also. But don't get disturbed by working on the things, because you can get hour of it. Okay. It's nothing that if today some work is not done, it's okay. You can do tomorrow or day after that. But you don't take burden of doing work in the one day. It's okay, because this card shows you that you are getting burden in your mind, and now you are stuck, and you are also thinking that what will happen next. Don't worry. Day after tomorrow or after day, every day is not the same. But today you have to rush away from the burden which are getting in your mind. Okay. So let's see Cancer, what Kark Rashi says. Kark Rashi, the loneliness. The loneliness means this person is walking alone, and now he is starting doing the things alone. Sometimes what happens when you get in the maturity age, and you have to stand alone and get, when the Buddha also, when Buddha started working on it in his own chakra, chakra, in his own power, in his own environment, all he was doing alone. Then the people are started gathering and helping them and knowing his nature. Like a Buddha, today you have to go alone, all alone, and you will get some good opportunities for your own, and you will find your own way and searching for the good power that you are searching for the inner. So don't be gathering so much self and gathering so much from everyone, and do alone whatever you want, because your strength is I can see your strength is in going alone, not with everyone today. So go alone, fight for yourself, and see what really you want from inside. Okay, let's see what Leo C Rashi said today. Healing. This card is healing. Healing means Siri Rashi. I can see in this card. Healing means when the mind or our inner things are stucking, and we need some healing from that. Because I can see the chakra of heart is open. You can all things receive from your heart. You can understand if there is some problem of understanding someone or helping someone, you can understand. But what happening with the mind and your inner voice, you are stucking in that. So don't do that. If something is good working, when all the chakras are not working, and when only one chakra is working, you can focus on that, and you can meditate, and you can go further on that also. So what you have to do today, listen to your heart, what your heart is saying, what your heart really wants to receive, and don't thinking about your inner side or outer side, what other one thinking and what your mind is also saying. Listen to your heart, because your heart speaks today more. Okay, let's see what Virgo Kanya Rashi says. The creator, Virgo. You can see the power, the energy, the creativity. Some ideas are coming into you. You are drawing to some new source of energies coming through you. Okay, so the creator means the new source of power when comes into you. You are going to start do something new things. You will start doing work. You will do something new. When it comes to creativity, when creativity comes, people know how to create their own ideas. The way the creator, how they is. If you create your things on, you get some source of energy on. You have some good powers inside, and you can create it on. Okay, so for Virgo Rashi, I can see the creativity power, the source of energy is coming to you. The good fortune are working for you. Your blessings, your power, your karma, whatever is working for you today. So go for it and do some really good things that I can see in this card. Okay, Libra, Tula Rashi. Let's see what Tula Rashi says. Stress. Libra, stress. You can see Libra stress. What happens? Overworking burden, listening to the people, what people are trying to say them, what people are gathering, what people are doing, what you people do. You people so much you people do so much work, and you can't see what's going on, what people are trying to do. Maybe they are trying to do something good for you or something bad, because you can't expect from everyone. If you help someone the same way, they will help you. What happening? You are doing so much work for everyone, and when you expect from someone in front of them, they will push you or pin you. I can see this in the card. So be alert of that one or two person who is pinning you, who is making fool, and he is using you. Literally, I can see in this card. And don't work so much for them. Okay. Scorpio, Vrushab Rashi. Let's see what Vrushab Rashi says. The courage. Vrishchak Rashi, Scorpio. The courage. I can see one strong and one strength after struggling, after having so much of after so much of struggle and courage you have get inside your inner voice, and now you are so strong that you can give judgments to everyone. Now you have that power and the position after struggling so much. So now if you can give some suggestion, if you want to prove anything, if you really need to tell anything to someone, you can do it, because you have that courage, you have that power, because you already struggle and going through it and already gone from that. Okay, so you have that courage and power to do these things today, because I see that all the courage you have gathered, now it is working for you. Okay, so you can do it. Sagittarius, let's see what Dhan Rashi says. Beyond illusions. Beyond illusions. Then you can see beyond illusions means it says that now you are coming out. Now you are doing something new. Now you'll do something new. You will can change something new things, or new ideas, or new things, or new gathering, or you will meet some new people, but something will new come into your life. Something new is going to happen, because beyond illusion says that maybe your inner something come out, or something out that is coming, expecting is coming out, but something new you will get today. Okay, so Sagittarius, something new is going to get inner or outside. Capricorn, Makar Rashi, let's see what Makar Rashi says. Separations. Makar, separations. Maybe you are very stuck. Today you are already stuck of working so much. You are so much of tired, so much of so much you are feeling like ill, or you are feeling like a fever, or you are not, maybe you are not good working also today. So relax and don't. You are already so much disturbed in your mind. When you are disturbed from your mind and your aura is not good, so fortunes and your blessings and angel doesn't guide you and doesn't help you, because cleaning inside is must compulsory. Always you should clean your aura, you should clean your soul, your good blessings should be with you, because it's work for you. It works for you 24 hours. But when you cut out all of these things, you get stuck in your own things. You can't get off to your own, and when you not get off your own, you can't help another. So get out of this. Get some good healing, get some good meditation, get some good blessings. Go to pray to God. Do something good, because today's day is also so much good. So do something good for you. Good working, or good blessings, or do whatever something good, because I can see some work is already stuck in your mind, and now you are getting depressed in this. So go out and do something new for yourself. Aquarius, Kumbh Rashi, let's see what Kumbh Rashi says. Isolation. You can see when isolation comes, it means you can see this eyes, and in the eyes also the eyes have melting, and the person can cry. It means Kumbh, Aquarius, you still have feelings. You still feel from inside. You can understand that what's going through. If no one is understanding, if there is some problem, issue, or anything that you can't say, you can't express yourself, but still you have that inner voice. Your heart speaks. Your heart speaks. When heart speaks, you can cry from here. When your heart speaks, okay. So if there is something to tell, if there is something problem, you can say, okay, you can confront. You can go in front, and you can ask that I have this problem. Can I get out of this? Can I, if there is some good friend, or your family, your mother, father, anything XYZ, you can talk to them. You can confront them. You can say them that I have this issue, right? So go for it and tell that whatever you have to this issue, because your heart speaks and you can tell that. Spices, Meen Rashi, let's see what Meen Rashi says. It's clicking to the past. Clicking to the past. It means so many things are going in the mind, and mind doesn't give us right answers, you know. And when it's come to past also, we have worked so much hard and doing the things, but in this card today I can see that so much of mind concept is going inside you, and you can work on it. You can do one thing, you can go one by one, and one by one things you can do also, okay. So do one by one, and do it in the proper way, because already you are so stuck of all the things you are in your mind. Go for one on one, and you will get the right answer, and you will get the right option, and you will get whatever you want. So I have already completed today 12 rashis. So please contact me if you have some problems, issue. You can discuss with me. I'm already live in the Facebook for 24 hours, and I can give you my WhatsApp number if you have some issues. Okay. So already I have completed today's 12 rashi. Thank you, and see you tomorrow.